Great day everyone! Today, nandito tayo ngayon sa Antel Grand Village dito sa Grand Oak Ridge to feature house and lot package na Isabel Model House with a total lot area of 125 square meters and a floor area of 157 square meters, 4 rooms, 3 bathroom and covered parking area with a lanai. The house is single attached at may ready for occupancy tayo ngayon for this Isabel Model House. And of course, shout out po sa lahat ng ating mga lot owners and homeowners dito po sa Antel Grand Village na fully paid na ang kanilang mga properties na lote at gusto nilang mag-upgrade ng house. This is the right time and this is the right channel na mag-i-inquire. My name is Ray Miliado, a real estate broker and a real estate appraiser here in the Philippines, particularly dito po sa Antel Grand Village. For over 12 years, I serve a lot. Anyway, guys, if you are interested or anyone interested to buy and check out this one, message us today on the numbers visible on the screen, or you can visit our website at www.rmiliadorealty.com. Now, tingnan natin the house, kung paano ba ito ginawa. At, oh my God! Alright guys, okay, so continue. So anyway guys, this is the facade and the parking area. So as you can see, the house is a single attached. Kapag itayin natin ito sa corner lot, meron tayong Isabel Model House na single detached. Ang ganda rin ng design nito, ang ganda ng architectural kasi very Spanish. Because right now, ang theme dito po sa Antel Grand Oak Ridge ay Spanish Mediterranean. Kaya very timeless and relevant itong place ng Antel Grand dahil ang kasaysayan for more than 300 years tayo po ay na-conquer ng Spanish. That's why yung kanilang mga architecture at ang kanilang mga salita, ang kanilang kultura ay na-adapt ng mga Filipino way back 1521 and hanggang after 300 years. That's why yung Catholicism sa ating sa bansa natin ay napakaganda at ang being Christian, yan yung na-adapt natin from them. Not only those things, pati ang kanilang architecture at ang kanilang kultura ay na-adapt din nating mga Filipino. And right now, ito yung living area. Imagine ang ganda ng staircase niyan. At ang ating hagdanan, then you have a separate kitchen. This is the dining area. At cover ang pinaka kitchen area. As you can see, this is the actual turnover. So you have hanging cabinet and a U-shaped counter. Of course, you have a sliding door with a lanai area. Before the turnover of the property, we will do the repurpose. Anything you see na hindi nyo po nagustuhan, so we will do the repurpose before the acceptance of the house. So this property, ginagawa po ito ng 320 working days, not including the Saturdays and then the Sundays. Give us 2 months for the processing of the building permit para po sa pag-start natin construction. By the way, kung meron kayong lote na 125 square meters or pataas, so pwede natin pong ipa-plot itong ating Isabel model. At of course, kung nagtatanong kayo sa location ng ating property, napakaganda ng location ngayon kasi from Antel Grand Village, meron na tayong school na Southville International School at meron po dito malapit na St. Edward School and malapit ito sa Ayala Mall and then the Makati Med dito po sa Kawit, Cavite na malapit nang gagawin at kasama sa plano ng the Ayala Land Corporation, the Alveo. Of course, mapapakinabangan yan lalo ng mga nearby towns, nearby villages, and nearby mga municipalities. And the proximity travel going to Metro Manila, napakalapit lang nito pong Antel Grand Village. And ang aming pinakabagong project right now is the Anyana Antel Tanza, which is a pre-selling project. We have ready for occupancy and we have lot only and we have commercial lots open sa lahat ng engineers, contractors, and architects. Pwede kayo magpagawa ng sarili nyong design, paaprubahan nyo lang po sa amin. Then after the approval, bayad po kayo ng inyong construction bond. So message me kung magkano po ang inyong construction bond. Imagine the construction bond is refundable. no? Pag wala kayong nasaging property po sa kabila o kapitbahay o katabi ng property, hindi niyo po nasagi. And ito yung ating second floor. As you can see, you have a nice hallway and the master bedroom area and the second room. And by the way, mayroon to isang staff room, kaya kinumpute ko na, no, isang staff room. And then dito sa taas yung mga bedrooms. So ganito na po yung ating bintana. Ayan, clear glass. Of course, meron kang floor to ceiling cabinet, kasama na yan. And then sa taas, meron kang wood design floor tiles. And yung partition dito is a concrete partition. And ito yung common bathroom dito po sa itaas, guys. Ayan siya. So, makikita mo, this is a complete turnover. No, lahat ng bahay natin dito po sa Antel and Anyana, meron tayong complete turnover. At meron din tayong mga special turnovers. Kaya if you're interested or message us today. Why Antel Grand Village? No, Antel Grand Village is a high-end community 200 hectares project. Meron ditong 9 subdivision sa loob ng Antel Grand Village with different homeowners association. And of course, meron tayong 11 swimming pools, 9 basketball court, and then the 9 tennis court. Ang ganda ng access nito. No, as you can see, napapalibutan tayo ng mga mega infrastructure right now. Kaya itong location natin ay perfect sa ating mga investors and ating mga home buyers. Alright guys, imagine ganyan yung cabinet and then the master bedroom area. So you have a bathroom and a cabinet. Of course, makikita nyo rin later on yung inyo pong balcony and then the neighborhood. So aside from this Isabel model, meron pa tayong houses na 203 square meters. Mas malaki dito na 5 bedrooms and then 5 rooms. And of course, it's a flood-free community. Master planned by the Palafox and Associates. At ang lahat ng bahay dito ay mga single detached and single attached. Wala tayong townhouses. Alright, so message us today guys if you are interested or anyone interested to check out and inquire property dito po sa Antel Grand Village or either Anyana Antel Tansa. Message us today on the numbers visible on the screen. Alright, so bababa tayo for the recap of this property for sale. No, shout out po sa lahat ng ating mga buyers all over the globe for always tuning in our YouTube channel or ating Facebook, TikTok, Instagram or sa lahat ng mga social media platform. Guys, thank you so much for the support, the love, the share, the comments, and the suggestions. Thank you so much. If you are interested or anyone interested to buy and acquire the property dito po sa Antel Grand Village, message us today. Nakita nyo ganito kalapad yung ating kalsada. Ayan. Alright? Okay, ganyan yung facade ng property. So, one of the best-selling model we have dito pa sa Antel Grand Village ay the Isabel model. Aside from this, we have Tokyo, Paris, New York, Florida, Victoria, and the rest. Kahit Sydney model house and lot commercial lots only. So, once again, my name is Ray. And I hope to see you in our next video. Daghang salamat. Gracias, amigo, amiga, all over the globe. If you have property for sale na seems like this, do not hesitate to message us so we will broadcast your property for free. Ayan. Thank you and God bless everyone.